In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an automated welcome email in Mailchimp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a simple automation that sends a friendly welcome message to every new subscriber without you having to lift a finger each time. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel. There, you'll see a menu item called Automations. Go ahead and click on that. When it expands, choose Flow Templates. This is where Mailchimp stores ready-made automation setups you can customize. You'll now see a variety of automation templates. Scroll down until you find the section called Find and Welcome New Contacts. In this section, you'll see several welcome email options. You can pick whichever one fits your needs best, but for this tutorial, choose the Welcome New Contacts template. After you click it, you'll be taken to a page that shows you a preview of the automation layout, so you can understand what happens and when. Next, you'll enter the flow editor. Here, you'll see a visual flow map, which usually starts with a sign up for email trigger, followed by an email action. This simply means when someone signs up, Mailchimp will send them this email. If you want to add more steps, like delays, additional emails, or conditions, look at the toolbar on the left side. Click on Map, and a panel will open with different rules and actions you can add. To customize your automation, just drag and drop any of these elements onto the flow map where you want them to go. To customize the details of each step, click directly on that step in the flow map. This will open a settings panel for that specific part of the automation. Let's start by setting up the trigger. Click on the Sign Up for Email trigger. A pop-up will appear with options for that trigger. Here you can choose whether to include imported contacts, if you'd like your manually added or imported contacts to receive the welcome email as well. Enable Include Imported Contacts. When you're happy with these settings, click Save Trigger. Now click on the Send Email action. Another pop-up will open where you can tailor the actual email. In this section, you can adjust the to and from details, write a clear and engaging subject line, set the schedule for when the email should go out after someone signs up, and configure tracking options so you can see opens and clicks. This is also where you design or choose your email template. You can select an existing design or build a new one that matches your brand, adding your logo, welcome message, and any key links or resources your new subscribers should see first. Once everything looks good and you've reviewed your trigger and email settings, it's time to turn on the automation. Look for the option to switch the flow from off to on. When you activate it, your welcome email will start sending automatically to new contacts who meet the trigger conditions. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automated welcome email in Mailchimp, so every new subscriber gets a consistent, on-brand introduction to you or your business.